Hey, so what I'm doing is getting ready for an open house today. And what you're going to see is I love to sense smells matter. I also have lavender. Yes. Signs hanging up. And open house. Even set up for where we're going to today. Gonna go to Edina open house, 5125 Oxford Avenue. That's going today from 2 to 4 o'clock today. So I'll start loading up my truck box. It's empty now. Be full of signs here before I know it. I got to get myself ready, showered, get everything prepared, and then head off to there, get everything set up. And then from there, hopefully sell the house today. So stay tuned.